Before we go deeper into cybersecurity, it's important to understand something most people confuse: the difference between information security and cybersecurity. But first, a quick perspective. Protecting information is not new. Long before computers existed, people were already trying to secure sensitive information. The ancient Greeks used encryption devices to hide messages. Julius Caesar used simple ciphers to protect military communication. During World War II, the Germans used the Enigma machine to encrypt messages. The point is simple: protecting information has always been critical. Only the methods have evolved. What is information security? Information security, often called InfoSec, is the broader concept. It focuses on protecting all forms of information, whether digital, physical, or even verbal. The goal is simple: protect information from unauthorized access, modification, deletion, or disclosure. And it does this using policies, processes, controls, and technologies. The core objective of a security program. Every security program is built around three key principles: confidentiality, integrity, availability. We call this the CIA triad. Confidentiality: only authorized people can access the data. Integrity: data is accurate and not tampered with. Availability: data is accessible when needed. You'll see this concept everywhere in cybersecurity. To protect information, you need to understand where it exists. Data typically exists in three states: data at rest, stored, databases, files, backups; data in transit, moving across networks; data in use, being accessed or processed. Each state requires different security controls. Data versus information. This is often misunderstood. Data was raw facts, example, a date of birth or a number. Information was your data with context, example, name plus date of birth plus address. When data is combined and becomes meaningful, it becomes information, and much more valuable and sensitive. Types of sensitive information. Now let's look at what we're actually trying to protect. 1. PII, personally identifiable information. Full name, social security number, driver's license, anything that can identify a person. 2. PHI, protected health information, medical records, health conditions, insurance data. 3. Sensitive, classified information such as trade secrets, intellectual property, government or military data. This is the data attackers are after. So where does cybersecurity fit? Now here's the key distinction. Information security is the big picture. Cybersecurity is a subset of that. Cybersecurity focuses specifically on protecting digital systems, networks, applications, and data from cyber threats. So you can think of it like this: all cybersecurity is information security, but not all information security is cybersecurity. So, why does this matter to you? Because as you move into cybersecurity, you're not just protecting systems, you're protecting information. And understanding that bigger picture will help you make better decisions, understand risks more clearly, and position yourself better in your career. In the next section, we'll start breaking down how cybersecurity is organized into different domains and where you might fit.